Hi everyone, I'm Tanya J. Peterson with the Anxiety-Schmanxiety Blog on HealthyPlace.com. So here I am sitting outside in my backyard with some beautiful flowers, black-eyed Susans and roses, and surrounded by trees and the blue sky and the bright sun, because I'm doing this specifically because I have 2 root canals scheduled ahead of me this Friday. And you might be wondering what sitting outside in my yard possibly has to do with upcoming root canals. I'm glad you asked. This is how I am dealing with the anxiety that I have. I feel a little bit of anxiety about the upcoming work, not really the procedures themselves. For me, going to the dentist really isn't that bothersome, but where my anxiety kicks in is it's going into all sorts of, okay, this is because I have something called Sjogren's syndrome. This is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm going to be needing root canal after root canal after root canal and crowns. I'm going to have all this dental work, and it's going to be expensive and painful and time consuming. And my mind just goes and catastrophizes and blows it out of proportion. Well, I was doing that when I first had the news last week that I have to have these done. And my mind's going everywhere, and all these anxious, catastrophizing thoughts are rolling around everywhere in the parking lot of the dentist's office. And I noticed some beautiful flowers, and I love nature, and I appreciate beauty. So I was able to just shift my thoughts. I noticed those, and noticing that was enough to pull me out of the anxiety, the thoughts of the moment, and right into the present moment and appreciating the beauty of those flowers. And that worked to calm my anxious thoughts. And when we have something that works for us with our anxiety, no matter what that anxiety is and what it's about, the subject of it, finding something that works and doing more of it is really helpful. So I have been spending time every day sitting here in calm, mindful meditation, taking in the sights, the sounds of the area, the birds, and just letting my mind and my thoughts settle. And it works in the moment. And then in a couple of days, when I'm having my root canal, I'm going to visualize this. When my mind starts to go, oh my gosh, I might as well get used to this. I'm going to have more of these, and worrying about paying for it and worrying about the time and just the whole general that goes with all of it. I've got this in my memory, and I'll be able to close my eyes and recall the calm, the peace, the sights, the sound, and use that to my advantage during the procedure. So if appreciating beauty is something that works for you, do more of it, and then visualize your scene when you're anxious. There's more on dental anxiety and other things that you can do in the article that goes with this. The link is in the box. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time after my root canals are long behind me.